Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily change your name on Facebook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to receive updates on new content. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application and click here. Gear icon to open the settings. Now we are on the settings page. Click on the Account Center. Personal Profiles. Click on your profile. Here, you will see the following options. Click on Name. You will be redirected to this page where you can easily change your name. Simply add your first name here, middle name, if applicable, and last name. After you're done, click here and wait for a moment. Facebook will ask you to enter your password to apply the changes and successfully change your name. Please note that once you change your name, you won't be able to change it again until after 60 days. Finally, if you like the video, support our channel by liking it and subscribing to receive updates on our new videos. Thank you, see you later.